About leadership, but then I think when you are talking about leadership, you're supposed to have the skills as well. And I think India is a country which can provide a lot of skills to the youth, and we have also come up with campaigns like Skill India. But do you think that there can be other measures that can be taken by the government to ensure that there is more skills amongst the youth?
I think initiatives taken by the government, current government, NDA government led by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is very, very important, because for the first time in the history of our country, someone has emphasized on the importance of the youth with interaction and platforms that have been created, whether it's Startup India, Make in India, Skill in India, Digital India. All these initiatives, somewhere or the other, empower us. Yeah. What we need to do is need to realize how these policies are getting implemented and how can we benefit out of this. So we need to, what my suggestion has always been to the government, to have a committee or a commission where the youth could actually take this kind of knowledge and implement it and have a balanced approach with guidance from seniors in those committees to grow. And a single window platform for any new organizations where whether it is forming the company, whether it is buying a land, whether it is manufacturing, whatever line this youngsters want to get into, there should be a single window platform that they just approach one office and most of their paperwork is sorted out. That's key essential for any developing nation. And we are digitally sound to actually do it. It's just the part that now we have to initiate and we have to make sure that this happens. Technology-wise, our country has actually grown drastically, and today is one of the examples that we are connecting over technology, and thousands and 500, like millions of people actually view our programs. So this is a beautiful example that yes, we have achieved that. Now we need to enhance it in a manner that actually helps us creating a smoother platform to execute a business venture.